Wow, look at you. So no luck there. Sage is sleeping right now. Earthy brown color that I thought would look really good in Sage's nursery. Okay, Sage is getting a little fussy. So Sage and I are doing some thrifting at Goodwill today. Hopefully we find some cute things. Wish us luck. So no luck there. Sage is sleeping right now. We are going to go to one more location, so hopefully we find something for Sage there. I'm looking for like tank tops, summer type clothing. Hey guys, I'm here with Sage. It is now a few days after we went thrifting, and I did not pick anything up, which was kind of a bummer. There were a few cute clothing items, but they were just going to be a little bit too small for Sage. I really wanted to get him a few more like summer tank tops and shorts, things like that, but no luck there. So I'm sorry that I don't have a haul to share with you guys, but I do have a few PR boxes that I need to open. So I figured I would share those with you guys, unbox those with you guys. I am probably gonna put Sage in my carrier. He is a little bit fussy right now, so hopefully that will go well, but I wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of him. He is now 4 months old, 4 months and 4 days. He is getting so big. And although he looks very serious right now, he is smiling and being super cute and expressive at this point. So this is a very cute phase, I would say, although we are going through a 4-month sleep regression, trying to get on a good sleep schedule during the day and that kind of thing. So he keeps my hands very full. So first up is a package from Little Unicorn. They sent several cute things. So basically I've had these boxes sitting here since we got back from our big 3-week long trip. And as soon as we got back, I had like 5 campaigns that I had to shoot, 3 campaigns that I needed to post. So I've just been so busy and have like just a pile of these boxes that I hadn't gotten around to yet, which is why I'm opening them now. Okay, so they sent me their muslin crib sheet. This is organic cotton. It is in this kind of like earthy brown color that I thought would look really good in Sage's nursery. I have a crib sheet from Solly Baby currently. It's kind of like a cream with a light tan stripe, which is very cute. But I figured I would need another sheet just so I can switch between the two, and this is going to look really good in our nursery, our color scheme. He is not sleeping in his crib yet. I've been putting him in there for naps, but I just usually have him sleeping in a bedside bassinet next to me. But pretty soon I think I'm going to transition him into the crib. It's just that when I was recovering from my C-section, it was very painful. So my friend sent me this bassinet so that it'd be easier for me to get him in and out of bed, which was amazing. And I've taken it with me whenever we've gone down to visit Sage's dad or traveled anywhere. It has been amazing for that. But I do want to start getting him used to sleeping in his crib. So I'll probably try to start transitioning into that soon. Next we have this sleep bag in this really cute forest green color. So this is size small, height 21 to 27 inches, 0 to 6 months. So this will be perfect for a little while still, and it's a very lightweight sleep bag, which is nice because it is so hot here in Arizona, and my parents do kind of keep the house hot, which is why I have our ceiling fan going at full blast, so hopefully that doesn't ruin the audio. But this will be a very nice sleep bag. So Sage is currently sleeping in this Kite Baby sleep bag, but this is already going to be too small soon. So that sleep bag is going to come in handy, especially because lately I've been putting him in that sleep bag for his nap, since I'm trying to get him on a little sleep schedule. So I love that, and I absolutely love this forest green color. So they also sent me this outdoor blanket. It's in this little travel kit packed up very nicely, so I don't want to open it up right now, but this is the pattern. It's like a rainbow stripe, very, very cute. And this is in the size 5x7, which I think fits like 5 people or something like that, but I figured this would be so nice for outdoor picnics and stuff this summer, and just from now on, obviously, now I have my own cute little travel picnic blanket for Sage and I to be able to go to the park and have picnics, things like that. I think would be so cute. So love these new items from Little Unicorn. I think I forgot to mention. I have a few of their sleep swaddles already, so now I have a few more baby items from them, which I love. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to get Sage comfortable in here. Okay, so I have a package from Olaplex. They sent a few more of their hair care line. So the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, this Hair Perfector, the Bonding Oil, and the Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment. So I have definitely noticed that I'm having a little bit of postpartum hair loss. I'm pretty sure Olaplex is pregnancy and nursing safe. I'll have to double check that, but I really need to start incorporating those into my hair care routine. Need a little bit of love. I just haven't had very much time to do any of that like self-care type stuff, but I really need to work it into my routine somehow. And I definitely need to find like a good vitamin, like hair vitamin that is still nursing safe for hair loss and that kind of thing. So need to get on that. Okay, so I got a little PR package from Well People. This is their Bio Bronzing Priming Serum, which is perfect for summer. So it has aloe, quinoa peptides, and it just gives you that little bit of a summer glow. And honestly, I try to stay out of the sun and wear sunscreen and stuff, so a bronzing serum is nice because it gives you that like sun-kissed glow without really having to have gone in the sun. So I'm excited to try this out. Their line is Clean Beauty, which I love, as you guys know. And then we got a little package from Tubby Todd. This is their Lavender and Rosemary Bubble Bath. So this is great to have. I have a few of their bath products. Their baby skincare line is absolutely amazing. I love their all over skin ointment for Sage. It was great with that like newborn dry skin and acne stage that they go through. And I try to put it on Sage every day. Love their bath products. So I'm excited to get to this one. So Sage is getting a little fussy. So that is it for this quick thrift with me and PR unboxing haul, since I didn't actually have a thrift haul to share with you guys. I did want to mention that I will be doing another breakup update soon, probably in my next video. For those of you guys that are new here and don't really know my story, mine and Sage's story, I'm actually currently a single mom. Sage's dad was my partner for 10 years, and we unfortunately had to separate during about halfway through my pregnancy, and it's just been a very sad story, sad situation going on. So I try to give you guys a little bit of updates here and there without giving away too many personal details about Sage's dad. So we did just get back from seeing him for a week. So I will give you guys an update about what is going on with him and our family, our situation. So I will be sharing that soon, just whenever I get around to it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you guys know of anyone that you think would enjoy my content, please be sure to share my channel. I'm really trying to grow my YouTube, and any help that I can get would be amazing. Don't forget to check me out on all socials at The Urban Darling and my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more content. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Turn on your bell notifications so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.